In a significant leap for the robotics industry, Agibot, a Chinese robotics startup founded in February 2023, has made waves by starting mass production of its general-purpose humanoid robots. This achievement comes just as Tesla, the U.S. electric car giant, plans to launch its own humanoid robots by 2026. However, Agibot has already delivered nearly 1,000 robots by the end of 2023, with projections to ramp up production in 2024. Agibot, also known as Zhiyuan Robotics, has shown impressive progress in its operations, having produced at least 962 humanoid robots in a manufacturing facility located in Lingang Fengxian, Shanghai. The company shared a 4-minute video showcasing the intricate details of its robotic production line, including inventory shelving, component assembly, aging tests, and performance assessments. What stands out is the collaboration between human workers and Agibot's robots, designed for practical tasks like component testing and inventory management. The company has also created a data collection factory for real-world training scenarios, where the robots are put to work folding clothes, organizing, and performing other domestic tasks. This focus on data-driven improvement is helping Agibot enhance the robot's real-world usability. While Agibot's leap into mass production is a milestone, Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, has also announced that his company is set to deliver its first AI-powered humanoid robots by 2024, with high production volumes expected by 2026. Despite the competition, Agibot's mass production success has instilled confidence in investors, with the company set to capitalize on the growing demand for humanoid robots, particularly for industrial and domestic applications. While both Chinese and U.S. tech companies like Agibot and Tesla are advancing in humanoid robotics, there are distinct differences. China, with its lower manufacturing costs and robust supply chains, is positioning itself for higher output. Meanwhile, the U.S. leads in areas like precise upper limb manipulation and cloud computing, as seen in Tesla's robotic models. As the race for humanoid robots heats up, industry observers are closely watching these developments, which signal a future where robots are not just prototypes but part of everyday life. Agibot's success could mark the beginning of a new era in robotics, especially in the consumer and industrial sectors.